Honorable Speaker, you know, Senior Counsel Otiende Omolo referred to me and said that when I become a liar, and I have no intention ever of becoming a liar. I have no such intentions of ever becoming a liar. I don't know if he said a lawyer or a liar, because, you know, from where Honorable Otiende comes from, you can never distinguish when someone is talking about lawyers and liars. And there's a famous movie, Honorable Speaker, called Liar Liar, that was about lawyers. So I have no intention, Honorable Speaker, for the record, to become a liar, nor do I intend to become a lawyer. But, Honorable Speaker, I think I have taken judicial and parliamentary notice of the court orders, Honorable Speaker. But the point I had made was that, one, there is no injunctive order against Parliament. The injunctive order is on those who are charged with the responsibility of deployment. And the court order dated 24th October or 23rd October is quite clear that those who deploy are the ones who are debarred from deployment. Parliament, Honorable Speaker, does not and has no capacity to deploy anybody other than deploying the Honorable Otiende Omolo on a trip to Rarieda, or deploy him on a trip to Mombasa or a trip to Turkey for other things, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable members, having listened to the various